Struggling to make your Gamma AI slides pop? Icons are the secret. Watch this quick guide to add them in seconds. Here's the thing. Plain text slides can feel a little flat. You have all the information there, but it just doesn't grab anyone's attention. Adding a simple icon next to a key point or inside a header can totally transform how professional your presentation looks. And honestly, it's way easier than you think. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to click. First, the Images tab, then the Icons library, and then how to pick the perfect one. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is find the slide you want to work on. Open up your Gamma AI presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you want that icon to live. Now, look over on the right-hand side of the screen, or up in your toolbar, depending on your layout. You're looking for a button that says Images. It's usually pretty straightforward. Click on that. This is your gateway. Gamma AI separates things into images, videos, and icons, so clicking Images brings up a whole panel of visual options. Go ahead and click on Images now. All right, once that panel opens up, you'll see a few different tabs at the top. You'll see a tab for Upload, a tab for maybe GIFs or photos, and right there, you should see one labeled Icons. Now, pay attention here. Sometimes it says Icons, and sometimes it says Icons Classic. It depends on the version you're using, but either one works perfectly. Click on that Icons tab. This is where the magic happens. Gamma AI has built in a pretty solid library of icons, so you don't have to go hunting around on other websites. Just click on Icons, and you'll see a grid of options pop up. Now, here's the really fun part. You can scroll through that grid and browse all the available icons. They're organized by category, things like business, technology, health, arrows, communication, stuff like that. But if you have something specific in mind, don't waste time scrolling. Instead, look for the search bar at the top of that panel. Just type in a keyword that describes what you need. For example, if you're making a slide about a meeting, you could type the word calendar. Or if you need an icon for a chart, just type chart. The search will filter everything down instantly. This is a huge time saver. So go ahead, type in your keyword and browse the results. Once you find an icon that you like, just click on it. It will automatically insert onto your slide. You can then click and drag it to reposition it, or click on the corners to resize it. And the best part is, because we're using Gamma AI's built-in library, the icon will match the overall design theme of your presentation. It's not going to look out of place or clunky. It'll just blend right in and make your slide look way more polished. So to wrap it all up, the process is really just 3 quick steps. Click on Images, switch over to the Icons tab, and then either browse or search for what you need. That's it. No more text-heavy slides that put people to sleep. You can now add relevant, professional icons in just a matter of seconds. Give it a try on your next Gamma AI presentation. You'll be surprised how much of a difference a single little icon can make. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.